Welcome to Education Labs IQ. The more you learn, the brighter you shine.
Today, we're going to learn the names of heavy vehicles. Are you ready? Let's get started.
This is a bulldozer.
It pushes soil, sand, and rubble using a big front blade.
This is an excavator.
It digs deep holes using a long arm and a big bucket.
This is a backhoe loader.
It has a shovel in front and a digging arm in the back.
This is a wheel loader.
It lifts and moves heavy materials with a large front scoop.
This is a skid steer loader.
A small, strong machine that helps move dirt in tight spaces.
This is a road roller.
It flattens roads with its heavy, round wheels.
This is a grader.
It smooths and levels the ground before paving.
This is a dump truck.
It carries and dumps sand, gravel, or rocks.
This is a concrete mixer truck.
It mixes and carries wet concrete to building sites.
This is a crane truck.
It lifts and moves heavy things using a long arm.
This is a tower crane.
It's tall and strong, used to build tall buildings.
This is a forklift.
It lifts and moves boxes and pallets in warehouses.
This is an asphalt paver.
It spreads hot asphalt to make smooth roads.
This is a scraper.
It scrapes and moves dirt across big areas.
This is a trench digger.
It digs narrow holes for pipes and cables.
This is a cement pump truck.
It pumps wet cement into high or hard-to-reach places.
This is a compact track loader.
It works like a skid steer but has tracks instead of wheels.
This is a mini excavator.
A smaller version of the excavator for tight spaces.
This is a telehandler.
It lifts things high with a long moving arm.
This is a pile driver.
It pushes long poles into the ground to build foundations.
This is a mining dump truck.
It carries tons of rocks and dirt in huge mines.
This is an underground mining loader.
It works in tunnels to scoop and carry rocks.
This is a drilling rig.
It drills deep into the ground for oil or minerals.
This is a hydraulic shovel.
A giant digger used in mining and heavy work.
This is a dragline excavator.
It has a long cable and bucket for deep digging.
This is a rock truck.
It hauls heavy rocks at mining sites.
This is a bucket wheel excavator.
It uses spinning buckets to dig huge holes.
This is a heavy-duty dozer.
A powerful bulldozer used in big mining jobs.
This is a tunnel boring machine.
It digs big tunnels through mountains or cities.
This is an oil tanker truck.
It carries large amounts of oil or gas safely.
This is a flatbed truck.
It has a flat back to carry big or long items.
This is a lowboy trailer.
It carries extra heavy machines like bulldozers.
This is a heavy hauler.
It moves very large and heavy loads slowly.
This is a container truck.
It carries shipping containers full of goods.
This is a logging truck.
It hauls big logs from the forest to the mill.
This is a box truck.
It has a big box on the back to deliver items.
This is a car carrier truck.
It moves many cars from factories to stores.
This is a livestock transport truck.
It carries farm animals like cows or sheep.
This is a tow truck.
It helps move broken or parked cars.
This is a fire truck.
It carries firefighters and water to stop fires.